Hello everyone, I'm making this video especially for my niece Cindy. She wanted me to make a Cuban style picadillo. I already made a Cuban style picadillo, but it's combined with something else. It's two videos in one. So this one is going to be strictly Cuban style picadillo. So Cindy, this video is for you. We're gonna start with the ground beef. Not a lot, it's like 1¼ pound. You can also use the turkey ground beef, it works just as good. Okay, so I'm gonna use half of a green pepper, half of a red pepper, one medium small onion, and maybe, let's see here, three cloves of garlic. So let me cut up everything and then we'll come back to the video. Oh, just wanted to let you know, I was fixing my drawers the other day and I found this knife. This knife cuts like no other knife. It was already sharpened and everything, so that's what I'm using now. This is my favorite knife. Okay, I also have 2 oregano leaves. If you don't have oregano leaves, you can just use powder oregano. Okay, so here it is. I cut everything up. The onions, half of the red pepper, half of the green pepper, the oregano, and chopped up the garlic, smashed it and chopped up the garlic. I had 4. It wasn't 3, it was 4 cloves of garlic. I remember when I was growing up, Sydney, I'm sure you can relate to this. My mom used to make this. She didn't chop them up like this. She would just cut them up in chunks and put them in the blender and process it with a blender. And then she used to just spoon it into the pot when she went to cook, whatever she went to cook. I'm sure you remember this, Cindy. That's how she would make her sofrito, because that's what we're gonna make, sofrito. Sofrito is like the base for 90% of Cuban food. Go ahead and turn on the stove and just put a little drizzle of vegetable oil. That should be good. Okay, and here we go. This is a lot of seasoning. Sofrito, what we call it is sofrito. It's like a stir fry. Basically, it's a stir fry is what it is. It's a lot, but it's okay. So the oregano leaves. So there we go. Now let's let it saute a little bit, and then we'll add the garlic. Okay, so here we are stir frying the veggies. So now I'm gonna add the garlic. I already sauteed it for a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the garlic. If you add the garlic too soon with the rest of the vegetables, sometimes it tends to burn. Okay, I'm gonna lower it to medium, and I'm gonna add, usually what I put is tomato sauce, but I don't have tomato sauce, so I'm adding some ketchup. It's not the first time that I've done it. I do it all the time. Just about that much. A good squeeze in there of ketchup. And I think sometimes it tastes better than the tomato sauce because it's not as bitter. Since ketchup has sugar in it, it's not as bitter. Okay, so now I'm going to add the meat. And we'll give it a good stir in here. Break up the meat. I like it with all those veggies. A lot of vegetables in it. The pepper and the onion, garlic. Almost everybody likes picadillo. Okay, now we're gonna put some cumin. About that much. Maybe like an eighth of a teaspoon or so. But you can add that as much as you like. You know, depends how much you like cumin. Just give it a stir. Cumin and vino seco, dry wine, drizzle, small drizzle of that, and also complete seasoning from any brand, Goya or Badilla's complete seasoning. Just maybe a teaspoon of that. Maybe a teaspoon of that. Add the salt. Not too much, but it's up to you. But it's not healthy. So just a little bit of salt. I just put a little bit of salt. If it needs more later when I finish it, I will put some more. And like I said, you can make this with turkey meat. And it is as simple as that. We're finished here. This is it. Cuban style picadillo. It's like one of the #1 favorite in every Cuban family. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna cover it a little bit, just so until the liquid evaporates. Some of the liquid evaporates. So I'm gonna cover it up. Not totally, but cover it a little bit. Okay, so this is it. I mean, not too dry, just perfect. Okay, so that is my Cuban style picadillo. Okay, and Cindy, I hope you tried this recipe, and I'm sure Yorkie knows how to make it probably even better than mine. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.